Hey guys, what's up? It's Anne Marie. So I have these folding tables. Forgive the mess, I'm rearranging my office here. And they came from Target. They collapse and I needed some portable tables. But here's the thing. I wanted to show you how to fold the legs in because when you get to this point, so see how I've got the legs here, they're fully extended. And all you do to bring them down is just compress in these little buttons here on each side, on each hole until it gets to be the smallest or the shortest amount, right? But now you're at this point and you can't shut the legs. It is not an easy direction on the directions here of what it says. So if you're like me and you're sitting here staring at it and you're like, how do I shut it? I'm going to show you. Here's what I figured out. You have to compress these guys here. When you do that, compress them on both sides. This will easily fold down. So I'm going to do that now. So I had to use both hands, but I went ahead and compressed both of them and loosened it a little bit. So now they will fold down completely flat. If you don't do that, if you don't compress the sides, you cannot fold these down. So I wanted to share that. And then at that point, what you'll do is you'll press this button here, and I'll go ahead and press it with my knee here, and that will make the table fold in. And then what you'll do once you get, okay, I thought I'd go ahead and show you. So I've got these legs in now. I've pressed the little hinge down there, and all you'll do is shut it that way. It shuts. And then to open it back up, and it actually like sticks itself together really well. See how it's not coming apart? And that's because I let it fall down, so it went ahead and locked itself. All you'll do, it's really easy to open it. You just push open like that. So, and what's great about this table is it has a handle to carry it. So I wanted to show that to you because if you're like me and you're sitting there staring at it and you're thinking, how do I shut it after I've opened it up? That's how you do it.